Guys, to be honest, no one can stop you to becoming fluent in English, but make sure you have to watch this video right till the end. Ensure to know all the technique that I'm going to share with you. Okay, so before I dive into it, subscribing my channel is considered good. So that is why I want you to please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm sure you are going to love this video so much. So please give it a like and move on. Guys, so first thing, you don't care what level you are at in English. Okay, so before I talk about tip number 1, so here first I have a question for you guys, all of you by the way. So do you guys love reading? If the answer is yes, then it's okay. But if some of you guys are not interested into reading, then first you have to make sure that you are interested into reading, right? Because before you thinking about speaking, first you have to improve the pronunciation by reading, right? So that is why I asked you that first it is necessary to read, or it is necessary to familiar with reading, right? So that is why guys, especially I ask you, do you guys love to read something, right? I mean guys, okay, so today in this video actually I am going to share some of the genuine tips that through you also can fulfill your dream of speaking in English, right, as I do. So okay, so now you might have a question, Nakul, please tell me, what should I study and what do you study? That's how you learn English. Guys, to be honest, watch some specific channel that you like, right? So yeah, just after watching the video, I just turn on the subtitle of the video. I mostly not turn on the subtitle, instead I on transcript, right? What do I mean by transcript by the way here? Just after watching the video, right, then you click the title of the video and then you will get to see the transcript feature at the bottom, right? And then when you click that, then you will get to see the entire speeches whatever I am talking here, right? So then I again watch, and while watching I see there are lots of words and sentences, and even when I read, right, so my pronunciation get smoother, right, little by little. Yeah, so that is why I asked you to please be familiar with reading. But it's true that initially you will feel struggle, but at the end eventually you are going to enjoy the process, right? So that is why you have to remember that initially it will be very hard to read, right? So even after being hard, so you have to read in order for you to becoming fluent, or in order for you to becoming speak the word or phrases whatever you are reading, right, speak smoother, right? So that is why reading is essential, you can say. And then you will guys see, while reading you will get to see a lots of complicated words and sentences that you are watching them for the first time, right? So if you are not sure about the word or phrases, or maybe it's idiom maybe, right, so just you have to jot it down into your copy, right, so that you can review them later, right? But it is, make sure here there is one more thing I would say, and reviewing is something that can make the word or pronunciation or maybe or the idiom into your brain stronger, right? So that is why reviewing is something that is essential for you to reinforce your vocabulary into your brain. By the way, why I suggest you to read, right? Guys, if you read caption or maybe what I ask you, transcript, right? So if you read transcript, so there you will see the word and with its meaning or with its entire sentence or phrase, right? So that's how it is easy to find its meaning, right? So that is why guys, I prefer to read by videos by my favorite creator, right? So that's how I learn English, you can say, right guys? But otherwise, if you guys learn words in isolation, means if you learn words from somewhere, then you are more likely to forget them, right? Because you are learning the word in isolation, right? So that is why make sure choose the path that I ask you to do, right? Because it is very very easy, right? And here you guys see, not just see the word, also you will get to see here the entire phrase, right? So that's how it is better, right, than learning isolation. right? So that is why choose the path that I ask you to do. And make sure there is one more thing that I wanna suggest, and that is, guys, try to read out loud, right? Try to read out loud as much as you can in the free space, or even you can note it down into your copy as I told you earlier. So while reading or reviewing, you should speak louder, right? So that you can speak the word smoothly, right? So that you also can express the words or your thoughts like in confident, right? Yeah, so that is why it is necessary also to speak any words or phrases loud out, right? I think, guys, so that's all for today. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, leave a comment in the comment box and I will sure read it, right? And okay, that's all for today, and bye bye.